Nigerian people is calling for referendum. Welcome to New York, President Joe Biden. United Nations, that's President Joe Biden. Show his video. That's President Joe Biden. Nigerian people is calling for referendum. President Joe Biden, we want referendum in Nigeria. Nigeria is about to snap. President Joe Biden, convoy. Nigeria is about to snap. Do not allow Nigeria to snap, okay? We want referendum in Nigeria. President Joe Biden, Buhari is a terrorist. Buhari is a terrorist. We want 1999 Constitution to come down. 1999 Constitution is nepotic in nature. Buhari is a terrorist commander. Nigeria occupies the 3rd position on Global Terrorist Index presently. After Afghanistan, after Iraq, Nigeria is next. Please do not let Nigeria snap. President Joe Biden, the world leaders, New York, all the world leaders, we're calling upon you. Nigeria, we want referendum. United Nations, we need you to send peacekeeping forces to Nigeria. Nigeria is about to snap. Nigeria has over 210 million population. The world will not be able to contain the refugee that is going to spill out of Nigeria. Nigeria is about to snap. Nigeria is about to snap. Nigeria is about to go to civil war. Nigeria is about to snap. We're calling on the good people of the world. We're calling on the world leader. The Buhari of Nigeria is a terrorist commander. Nigeria is the 3rd position on Global Terrorism Index. Thank you to United States of America Security and Law Enforcement. Thank you to good people, NYPD, officers of New York, for keeping United States of America safe, for keeping New York safe. We thank you, we like you, we love you. We say God bless you and your family. Please continue to keep America safe. I wish I could say the same of my motherland, Nigeria. I am originally from Nigeria, born and bred in Nigeria, and a naturalized America. I wish Nigeria is as safe as America, but no thanks to Buhari. Buhari is a terrorist. He's a terrorist. He's the patron of 3 major terrorists in the world, being the Taliban, Miyetti Allah, as well as Boko Haram in Nigeria, terrorizing, oppressing, victimizing, and terrorizing the people of the South. Where are those pictures? Let me show people this picture. These are human beings. Where is the picture that